Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your assets with Zurich step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Zurich website. Navigate to the insurance section. Review the different types of asset protection options available. Select the type of coverage that best fits your needs. Click on Get a quote for the chosen insurance product. Fill out the required information in the online form. Make sure to provide accurate details about your assets. Review the coverage options and limits offered. Explore any additional benefits or endorsements. Submit your application for a detailed quote. Wait for confirmation from Zurich regarding your quote. Once received, review the quote thoroughly. Consider consulting with an insurance advisor if you have questions. Decide on the appropriate coverage level for your situation. Complete the purchase of your policy online or over the phone. Keep a copy of your insurance policy for your records. Regularly review your coverage to ensure it meets your needs. Stay informed about any updates in Zurich's offerings. Consider additional protections as your assets grow or change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.